this is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust the mouse pointer speed. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04. Let me jump over to Ubuntu. I am on Ubuntu now. To change the speed of your mouse cursor in Ubuntu, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my Show Apps button. I'm going to click on Show Apps. Then in these icons here, I'm going to look for Settings. If you don't see Settings within your icons here, you could always go up to the top here and search for Settings. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. And then right up here, under Mouse, Pointer Speed. You can shift this dial to the left to slow it down. You could shift it to the right to speed it up. That is how to change the speed of your mouse cursor in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.